Voice assistants, essential smart home commands.
Unlock instant convenience with voice assistants. Learn the must-know commands for Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri that can help you control your smart home and organize your day. Save time, reduce hassle, and make everyday life more efficient using only your voice.
Controlling lights and plugs.
Effortlessly manage your home's lighting. Say, turn on the living room lights, or dim the bedroom lights to 50%. You can also command your voice assistant to turn off all lights at once, or control individual smart plugs to power appliances or devices. No more searching for switches. Just speak and it's done.
Managing climate and appliances.
Stay comfortable with hands-free temperature control. Try commands like set the thermostat to 72 degrees, turn on the fan, or start the robot vacuum. Adjust your heating or cooling, or activate smart appliances, making your environment perfect without lifting a finger.
Organizing your day.
Keep your routine on track with ease. Ask your assistant to set a timer for 10 minutes. Remind me to call mom at 7 p.m. Or, what's on my schedule today? You can add items to your shopping list, set alarms, or create reminders, making daily planning less stressful and more productive.
Smart home security commands.
Enhance peace of mind with simple security checks. Use commands like lock the front door, show me the backyard camera, or is the garage door closed? Voice assistants help monitor your home and secure entry points, offering an extra layer of safety without extra steps.
Entertainment and more.
Transform your space with voice-activated entertainment. Request, play relaxing music in the kitchen, pause the TV, or turn up the volume in the living room. Launch movies, podcasts, and playlists across devices, all while multitasking. Enjoy smarter living with just a spoken command.